This is You Can Change Vegan. Let's make Choc Chunk Protein Cookies. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. The measurements are in the description. To a bowl, we're adding almond meal and protein powder. Then give it a quick stir. Then add in the plant milk and peanut butter. Followed by some vanilla and salt. Then give it all a stir until you form a cookie dough like this. Take a spoonful of the mixture. It's a bit crumbly, but it will form a dough in your hands to squeeze it together, and then shape it into a disc like this and place it on the lined tray. Roughly chop some dark chocolate and then press it into the top of the cookies. Now we bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown on the edges, and then cool fully on the tray. Make these to have after your next workout. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all of my subscribers. 2 more of my vegan recipe videos are linked here.